you ready? Okay, say, welcome to Triston Toytown!
Welcome to Triston.
Alright, what are we playing today, Tristan?
We're playing Dr. Suess.
Cat in the Hat. I can do that.
Okay, I opened it.
Okay,
Maybe I opened it.
you can open it.
Where is it?
Hmm.
Right here.
Right here. Yep. Alright, let's take everything out.
What do you got in there, Tristan?
We have a Dr. in the afterwards.
Cat in the Hat toys. Okay. So, I can do that. Let's set up a trick on my stick.
A trick on my stick.
A chicken on stick. No.
Tristan, can you say trick on my stick?
Chicken on stick.
Stick. Build a jiggly wiggly trick on my stick by inserting the yellow stick.
Wiggly wiggly trick on my stick.
Alright, now the chords. What you need to do is mix them up. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, so mix these all up on the floor. Mix them all up. All the way, mix them up.
Mix, 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 mix.
Wait, don't look at them. Just mix them. You cheater. Alright. Do you know what this is?
Yeah.
What is it?
Oh.
A boat. Do you know what this is? Me neither. Me neither. You know what this is? A ball. Rick. We have a cake.
It's a birthday cake.
Whoa! A birthday cake. Whose birthday is it?
Nobody.
Nobody's birthday. It's just a random.
What if it was Tristan's birthday? You want a birthday cake like that?
Yeah. Trash. Birthday cake.
We have
Birthday
a fish
cake.
bowl.
Ooh.
Book.
Fishy.
An umbrella.
Whoa.
And what is this?
I don't know.
A dress.
It's Chris.
Is it a dress for Mama?
Okay, the youngest player goes first. That's me, right?
Hey, I am a devil cake
How old are you, Tristan?
queen.
I am older than you. You go first.
There.
Okay. Flip over one red card.
One. I got one.
Okay, what does it say? It says, let's see, let's read it. Step over the trick-a-ma-stick. Okay, so that's your first mission, is to step over the trick-a-ma-stick. Now hold up. Before we do that, let's pick up a blue card.
Okay.
And let's put it right here. Let's read it.
There.
Okay, what does that one say? It says, with the toy man. So you're gonna need this. You slide. Hold this. And then now you need a yellow card.
Where? I find it.
And what does it say? Under your chin. So this has to go underneath your chin. And you need to step over
The trick on my
the trick-a-ma-stick.
stick.
Can you do that? Can you say it? Can you say it? Can you do that?
Yeah.
Say, I can do that.
I can do that.
Okay, try. Oh, you failed!
We can do another chance, Daddy.
One more chance, okay. Wait, you need to put, you cheated! You cheated! You need to go to your chin. Okay, one more chance. Oh, you lost! Oh, man.
That's too heavy for my neck.
Yeah, it's too heavy for your little neck. Is it my turn?
It's raining.
It's raining. Okay, you want me to go or you want to go again? You want to go again? Okay. Pick up a red card. Okay, let's see what it says, Mom. You have to crawl around the trick-a-ma-stick. Now pick up a blue one. Wait, use one. You need just one. Put the rest down. Give me one. you have to crawl around the trick-o-ma-stick with the fish. Fish. And now pick up a number 3 card. Let's see what it says. Stop! Oh wait, you have to stop. So stop card. Your turn is over. Oh.
Now it's Daddy's
Now
turn.
it's my turn. Alright everyone, so this was a preview of Cat in the Hat. It held his attention for a little while. Really, he stopped playing with the cards at some point and just wanted to play with the little foam thing. So it is a great starter game for kids. It won't hold their attention for very long, but we had fun playing. Don't forget to like and subscribe.